Do you think gold is money?
No.
It's not money. Even if it had been money for 6,000 years, somebody reversed that and eliminated that economic law.
Well, it's an asset. I mean, it's the same. Would you say Treasury bills are money? I don't think they're money either, but they're a financial asset.
Why do central banks hold it?
Well, it's a form of reserves.
Why don't they hold diamonds?
Well, it's tradition, long-term tradition.
Well, some people still think it's money.
I love gold. The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture. I love gold so much that I even lost my genitalia in an unfortunate schmelting.
I mean, I do have a lot of money in gold stocks and silver and gold and silver stocks, and I did lose millions on paper in the decline, but that would hardly qualify me. There are people that have a lot more money than me that have a lot more.
These are the kind of trades, Mark, that separate the best from the rest, and this is no doubt a painful time for hedge fund titans such as Paulson, who remain committed to their gold investments. The metal was down another day today, falling to a 2-week low, and by all accounts, Paulson has been betting against the rout that began in April, with losses resulting. Bloomberg, in fact, recently reported that the volatility in gold has led to the fewest number of hedge funds investing in gold since 2010. The number of funds investing fell to 290 globally by May, compared to 310 back in December. And this is where billionaire Paulson appears to have unique distinction, because he's continued to stick with gold, and that's despite previous losses. We should point out that it is the smallest of his strategies. Paulson has informed investors, according to the latest client letter, that his gold fund lost 13% last month, and that drop brings losses in Paulson's gold strategy to 54% since the start of the year. Now, the firm says it has no intention of closing down the gold fund, and it's recommending, Mark, that investors stay invested, because obviously he thinks valuations will lead to some kind of significant upside. Gold has rebounded in April after rising more than 20% for 8 years now, so there's been a real change in direction.
But we should point out, one of the reasons he gets so much attention, he's won big in the past.
Absolutely. I mean, Paulson was the biggest trader that you'd never heard of until he made billions by famously betting against the subprime market. Forbes is now reporting that Paulson may be trying to duplicate these efforts and is once again, quote, killing it by investing in junk mortgage insurers. We should also point out that there's only about $360 million in Paulson's gold fund. That's kind of on the small side, and most of it is his own money. He does plan, however, to change the name of the gold fund, the PFR Gold Funds, and his main strategy, the Credit Opportunity Fund, is up 16% year-to-date. Mark, his Recovery Fund is up 28% year-to-date. So there's a lot of focus on what looks like a wrong way bet in gold, but on balance, he's done pretty well.